5 reasons why you shouldn't wait to get the COVID-19 vaccine. If you've been offered one of the COVID-19 vaccines, it's natural to have questions or feel unsure because there is still so much we are learning about COVID-19. You might be thinking, these vaccines were developed so quickly, I'd rather wait and see if there are any problems. You might also think that other people are more vulnerable than you and deserve to be vaccinated first. We're in a race against time to stop the virus from mutating. We know the vaccines are extremely effective at preventing people from getting sick from the current strain of the virus causing COVID-19. They keep people out of the hospital, they prevent deaths. But there are new strains emerging in many different parts of the world with variants that could spread widely in the US in the coming months. They could eventually make the vaccine less effective. So, the more people who are vaccinated and protected against the strain circulating now, the less opportunity there is for the virus to keep spreading and changing to outsmart the vaccines. The mutated virus strains are not dominant yet in this country, but if they become so, it will be a setback, and we will have to upgrade the vaccine. It's rare to have a serious reaction from the vaccine. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention is carefully tracking all adverse reactions. As of February 16, more than 55 million vaccine doses have been administered in the US and no concerns for serious adverse events have emerged.
It's possible, especially after the second dose, to have minor side effects like pain at the injection site, fatigue, headache, and muscle pain. But these symptoms do not last long, about 1 to 3 days. They are a natural part of your immune system's response to the vaccine. The COVID-19 vaccines are among the most effective in the history of medicine.
The Pfizer-BioNTech vaccine was shown to be 95% effective in preventing COVID-19 in the more than 40,000 people studied in early trials. The Moderna vaccine was 95% effective in a study of 30,000 people. The Johnson & Johnson/Janssen vaccine was 85% effective in preventing severe COVID-19 in a study of 44,000 people. The vaccine supply is limited and not rolling out as quickly as hoped. When people decline their invitation to be vaccinated, it slows down the process even more to have to find others who meet the criteria and schedule an appointment. The vaccine is rolling out in phases to protect the most vulnerable people first. Over 1 million doses of vaccine are being given across the US every day. However, it's a complicated and often frustrating process that is regulated by state governments. Getting vaccinated is your best hope to return to those moments we all miss so much. The more people who get vaccinated, the sooner we will reach herd immunity, which means the virus is no longer spreading easily from person to person. That's when we can all get back to doing the things we love with the people we love. We can hug grandparents, eat out in restaurants, and go to sporting events. We can feel safe again.
For all these reasons, when you're offered the opportunity to be vaccinated, say yes.